Welcome, in front of me I have VIVO V20 and today I will show you how you can create folders on your home screen. So I will organize these icons, so we have to simply click, hold and then drag icon for another one, just like that. And after that release, as you can see, our folder is in this place. So when you want to add additional icons, just do the same. As you can see, it's very simple. When you tap on that folder, you can open it and also rename. Click on this marker to confirm name. You can move that folder like any other icon. And if you want to delete that folder, click, hold and then drag to remove. And right now icons will not go back to the home screen. They will be here in the drawer, so we can attach them to the screen, just like that. And as you can see, we can get 2 icons of the settings, for example. So yeah, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.